Sometimes you have to go back to basics because that will help you in the future. Keep it stepping, keep it moving. Do you get me? Factorising linear. I'm just vibing. Once you got the highest common factor, you don't even need to worry about the part that says fully. Just factorize it the one way you know how. Don't worry about it. Hey mathematicians, it's T here, your YouTube math tutor. How's everyone feeling this week? I hope you're feeling good. We are in March. Like, time is flying. No, deep it. We're in March. What? It's exam season. Like, it's basically exam season. May isn't exam season. May is the exams. So if you haven't already started, now is the time to start to revise, yeah? If you started earlier than now, that is great because I feel like revision is a long-term thing. Can't lie. I've realised you don't really get taught how to revise. Like, it took me forever to learn to revise. I didn't learn in GCSEs. I learned how to revise end of A-levels. Yeah. And that was even patterned because I only patterned it in my last year of uni. So, yeah, if you need some help, I've got some techniques. There's loads of different techniques you can use and different techniques suit different people. Let me know in the comments, and if that's something you're interested in, I will make some videos on that because I'm here to help everyone with their maths. This week's topic is, I don't know what this week's topic is. Wait, hold on. This week's topic is factorising linear brackets. You need to know multiplication or division. A useful topic is highest common factor, which I've already done. So here's a link if you don't know highest common factor. Check this out before this video because it'll make your life so much more easier. It'll be here or here because I don't know where I'm going to put it, but let me put my fingers up. Let me just break down a little bit of algebra to you. Every topic in maths is a building block for another topic in maths, yeah? So the skills you learn in linear, you can use in quadratic, just a little add-on. And the skills you learn in quadratic, you can learn in cubic algebra. Those are the main ones. Obviously, it will continue because curves can... Hey! This is maths, yeah? Topics are not separate. Topics entwine, yeah? So you got to kind of know maths as a whole, not maths as topics. Even though I'm teaching them as topics because they're skills. But when you combine them, that's when you can answer any question. Like, literally, you'll see. So with that all out the way, let's get into the video. Factorising brackets. Factorising brackets is actually the opposite of expanding brackets. So expanding was open the brackets. Factorising is put into brackets. So to factorise the brackets linearly, it's going to be in this form here that you can see me putting on screen. A, open brackets, bx plus c, close brackets. Now, this just means that A is a factor of the two, and then B and C are the corresponding factors of each term. I'm about to simplify it a little bit more because sometimes in a test, they like to say factorise fully. And I believe you should be able to just factorise it fully straight away. So then you never know the difference between the two because factorising fully means factorise so that it can't be factorised anymore or simplified anymore. We're going to factorise fully all the time. So you're always going to have the simplest form. And to factorise it fully, you're going to have the highest common factor on the outside and then the corresponding factors on the inside. If you don't know how to do highest common factor, go check it out. This is an application of highest common factor. It means that we don't have to learn 10 different steps for the same thing. You know, just do it one time, keep it simple, keep it stepping, keep it moving. Do you get me? So yeah. All right. So in this example here, we've got 12x plus 42. So we're going to put it in this form here. So I know that the highest common factor of 12 and 42 is 6. Yeah, so what am I going to put on the outside of the bracket? I'm going to put 6. Now we have our brackets. Now we've got to look at the first term, which is 2x, because 12x divided by 6 is 2x. Positive 42 divided by 6 is actually 7. And that's all you need to do with factorising. A way to double check it, which is another one of my videos, is expanding. So from going from brackets to the equation without brackets is called expanding. And from the equation without brackets to the equation with brackets is called factorising. And this is a good method for checking your working because if you're good at both, you can always check if you've done it correctly. Yeah, that means no one can tell you you're wrong, really, because you know you did it correctly. Also, you can figure out if you made a mistake. That's really it. So let's get into some practice then. Here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to pause the video and have a go at them. And then resume the video when you are ready for the answers. Welcome back. Let's get straight into it. So the first one is 24x plus 112. Now, we need to know the highest common factor of it. So the highest common factor of 24 and 112 is 8. So 8 is going to be on the front. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So we've got 3x. Everything's positive, so we're going to keep the plus sign in the middle. 112 divided by 8 is 14. So the answer is 8 open brackets 3x plus 14 close bracket. Answer the first one. Let's do the second one. The second one, the highest common factor is 5. So the number on the outside of the bracket is going to be 5. Let's just draw our brackets in. 35x divided by 5 is 7x. Now, minus 15 divided by 5 is actually minus 3. So, all right, let's look at the last one then. The highest common factor of 18x and 48 is 6. So that's going to be on the outside. Let's put our brackets in. Cool. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the first one's going to be 3x. Everything's positive, so we keep our positive there. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So the answer for the last one is 6, open brackets, 3x plus 8, closed brackets. And there we go. So that was factorising linear brackets. If you found anything useful in this video, please give me a like and subscribe. And check out expanding brackets. Yeah, because you can factorise, you can expand. This is a good way to check your working if you can go forwards and backwards. So yeah. See ya. Thank you.